Hello and welcome to Top Buy Lab. Today I've got 25 cool gadgets that can seriously upgrade your everyday life. From smart tech and useful tools to fun and futuristic finds, this list is packed with things you'll actually love using. Whether you're into productivity, entertainment, or just cool new gadgets, there's something here for everyone. And the best part, you can find them all on Amazon. So, let's get started. A flashlight this small can handle way more than you'd expect. Keep it charged and with a single click, you get a powerful 400 lumen beam ready for everyday tasks or emergencies. It features both a focused beam and a soft side light for close-up work, plus an emergency blink mode for roadside situations. Lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, and easy to clip onto your pocket or bag. Compact size, serious performance. Small screws don't have to mean big frustration. This electric precision screwdriver makes fixing phones, cameras, laptops, and gadgets effortless. Just charge it, pick the right bit, and let it do the work. With up to 50 precision bits included, it's built for tiny screws and delicate repairs. Compact, powerful, and smooth to use. Once you try it, manual screwdrivers won't feel the same again. One gadget that instantly changes the entire vibe of your room. This compact projector turns any wall into a massive screen with smooth visuals and adjustable angles. Thanks to 180-degree rotation, you can project wherever you want. Perfect for movies, gaming, or late-night shows. Dim the lights, power it on, and enjoy a cinema-style experience right from your bedroom. A pocket-sized tool that's ready for anything. This compact multi-tool packs scissors, screwdrivers, wire cutters, a bottle opener, and more into a durable stainless steel body. Clip it to your keychain or slip it into your pocket, and you're prepared for quick fixes anytime. Small, tough, and incredibly useful. An everyday companion that's always ready when you need it. Perfect alignment made effortless. This pocket-sized green laser level helps you hang frames, shelves, and furniture with precision. Just place it down and let the laser guide you to straight, clean results. Compact, battery-powered, and easy to carry. Ideal for DIY projects without the guesswork. Fast storage in a tiny form factor. This portable SSD handles heavy files, 4K videos, and large projects with ultra-fast transfer speeds. A built-in LCD screen shows storage status instantly, so no software is needed. Compact, powerful, and travel-ready, perfect for creators, gamers, and professionals on the go. Turn any traditional button into a smart one. This compact device physically presses switches for you, letting you control lights, fans, or appliances via app or Bluetooth. Set schedules, trigger routines, or control devices remotely without replacing your existing switches. Simple setup, smart automation, and everyday convenience. It's a small gadget that makes life noticeably easier. Outdoor trips can be exhausting. Cooking, staying warm, lighting, and safety all at once. That's where the Mars Players, the One, comes in. It combines a camping kitchen, heater, lighting system, and emergency toolkit into a single device. The Red X Fire heating technology warms up fast and saves energy even in windy conditions. Whether it's camping, RV travel, or car trips, this gadget makes outdoor life easy and comfortable. Need a fun way to kill stress? This metal fidget gun is more than just a toy. It's a full-on stress buster for your fingers. Slide it, spin it, flick it, and feel the smooth mechanical movement instantly relax your mind. Perfect for work breaks, studying, or travel. Small, portable, and oddly satisfying. Once you pick it up, you won't want to put it down. Transform your room without any heavy effort. These RGB LED strip lights don't just glow in one color. Different sections light up independently, creating a dynamic modern vibe around walls, ceilings, and furniture. Installation is simple: peel, stick, and plug in. Control colors, brightness, and effects straight from the app. Turn on music mode and the lights sync to the beat, making your space feel alive. One charger, multiple devices, zero cable mess. This foldable magnetic wireless charger snaps your phone into place and starts charging instantly. Compatible with Qi-enabled devices, it's perfect for phones, earbuds, or bedside use. Compact enough for travel and clean enough for any desk. Just fold, place, and power up wirelessly. Imagine traveling anywhere in the world and never worrying about charging your devices. This universal travel adapter works in almost every country, keeping your phone, laptop, camera, and more powered up. It's compact, sturdy, and completely plug-and-play. One adapter, global power, no more socket stress. Turn your couch into the ultimate comfort zone. This all-in-one companion features a compact laptop stand, space for drinks, remotes, and phones. Everything you need without getting up. Perfect for work, gaming, or movie nights. It transforms your couch or bed into a relaxed, functional setup designed for maximum comfort. Turn empty space into a floating 3D display. This hologram projector uses spinning LED blades to create visuals that appear to float in midair. No screen needed, just power it on, dim the lights, and watch your room transform. Perfect for parties, displays, or futuristic vibes. Create a cozy atmosphere anywhere. This low-smoke tabletop fire pit adds warmth, light, and ambience to balconies, gardens, or camping setups. Easy to set up and portable, it's great for evening gatherings, backyard dinners, or chill nights with friends. Fire, warmth, and comfort, all in one compact design. Organize your workspace like a pro. This pegboard accessories kit includes hooks, bins, and racks to neatly arrange tools, cables, and small parts. No more digging through drawers, everything stays visible and accessible. Easy to set up and endlessly customizable. Perfect for garages, workbenches, or DIY corners. Write, scan, wipe, repeat. This reusable notebook lets you digitize notes with your phone and save them to the cloud instantly. Once scanned, simply wipe the page clean and reuse it. Portable, eco-friendly, and perfect for work, study, or creative ideas. Smart notes without wasted paper. Give your smartphone a professional photography upgrade. This compact kit includes attachable lenses, filters, and lighting accessories to enhance photos and videos instantly. Ideal for content creators, travel vloggers, and low-light shooting. Clip, attach, and start capturing cinematic shots. Walking uphill getting harder with age? These Mogo Power Assist pants are built to change that. They look like regular pants, but hidden carbon fiber cuffs and motorized support give your legs a real-time boost with every step. With up to 3 hours of battery life, hiking, trekking, and long walks feel almost effortless. These earbuds are designed to elevate both music and calls. With Bluetooth 5.4, they connect instantly and deliver stable performance with up to 25 hours of total playtime. A built-in display shows battery and connection status at a glance. Active noise cancellation shuts distractions out while ENC improves call clarity. Comfortable, responsive, and reliable. This compact mechanical numpad instantly upgrades your desk setup. It connects via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C, making it compatible with almost everything. With 30 programmable keys, a smart display, and a media control knob, everything feels faster and smoother. Add RGB lighting and hot-swappable switches. This isn't just a health gadget. It's a complete checkup in your hand. BMO combines a contactless thermometer, ECG for heart rhythm, blood oxygen monitoring, and a digital stethoscope, all in one device. In under a minute, you get a full health snapshot, synced directly to your phone and ready to share with your doctor instantly. Perfect for home, travel, and family care. BMO turns everyday monitoring into smart, effortless healthcare. Great videos start with great lighting, and this RGB LED light delivers. Clip it to your phone, camera, or rig and instantly upgrade any shot. Adjust the color temperature from warm to cool for perfectly balanced frames. The dual-side LED design spreads soft, even illumination, ideal for face cams, product shots, vlogs, or reels. Compact, magnetic, and travel-ready, professional lighting that fits in your pocket. Say goodbye to house keys. This smart door lock unlocks with your fingerprint, passcode, or phone. Fast response, strong deadbolt security, and emergency backup access keep your home protected and stress-free. Modern design meets smart protection, security made simple. Imagine pulling a full movie screen out of your bag. This ultra-portable mini projector wirelessly mirrors your phone or laptop to turn any wall into a cinema. Movies, YouTube, Reels, even gaming, everything feels bigger and more immersive. Bluetooth support makes speaker pairing easy, and the tri-fold design keeps it compact and travel-friendly. Bedroom, terrace, hotel room, cinematic vibes anywhere. Imagine charging your phone in seconds, not minutes. Swipit makes that happen with a smart hub and a battery-powered phone case. Drop your phone in, and it instantly swaps your empty battery for a fully charged one. No cables. No waiting. The hub stores and charges multiple batteries at once while the app tracks everything seamlessly. If battery anxiety drives you crazy, this is a total game changer. Clean desk, clean setup, it all starts here. This RGB headset stand not only holds your headphones but also wirelessly charges your phone or earbuds. Extra ports keep multiple devices powered, while RGB lighting adds a premium aesthetic to your gaming or work desk. Less clutter, more organization, everything ready to go. Mobile gaming hits different with real controls. This compact controller snaps onto your phone and gives you physical buttons with precise feedback. Every jump, aim, and swipe feels faster and more accurate. Portable enough for couch gaming, travel, or the subway. Smooth gameplay. Zero lag. Instant upgrade. Imagine your home cleaning itself. This smart robot vacuum not only cleans your floors but empties its own dustbin automatically. Powerful suction handles tile, wood, and carpet with ease. Smart sensors avoid obstacles and clean under furniture. Set a schedule in the app and forget about cleaning. Effortless upkeep every day. Lawn care just went fully automatic. Meet the Limo One, a smart robot mower that maps your yard with zero buried wires or complicated setup. Thick grass, slopes, obstacles, it handles everything smoothly. Use the app to set mowing zones and schedules. The result, a perfectly cut lawn, every time, with zero effort. If your desk feels messy, this gadget changes everything. Ultra X is a modular smart desktop bar that organizes all your tools and tech. Wireless charging, magnetic mounts, customizable modules. Everything stays within reach and neatly arranged. No clutter. No distraction. A productivity upgrade for any workstation. Imagine growing fresh vegetables, herbs, and greens right inside your home. No soil, no sunlight, and almost zero effort. The plant-formed smart indoor garden uses NASA-inspired photoponics, delivering nutrients as an ultrafine mist for faster, healthier growth. The system automates light, water, and temperature, while the app gives real-time updates. Fresh produce year-round, right from your countertop. If shortcuts slow you down, this gadget speeds everything up. MacroDo connects to your laptop or PC and gives you customizable shortcut keys for editing, coding, design, or gaming. One click can replace entire command sequences. Extra ports reduce cable clutter, turning your desk into an efficient, streamlined workspace. Compact, powerful, and productivity-focused. This smart volume knob gives you full control of your audio with just a twist. Connect it via Bluetooth or USB and manage volume, play, pause, or skip tracks effortlessly. The RGB lighting adds a stylish glow to your setup, or you can turn it off entirely. Smooth, compact, and incredibly satisfying to use. If you want ultra-fast, portable, and safe storage, this SSD enclosure is a game changer. Insert your SSD, connect via USB, and enjoy blazing fast transfer speeds. The built-in active cooling keeps your drive cool during heavy workloads, making it perfect for editing, backups, and gaming. Compact, powerful, and reliable. Every bag needs one tool that does it all, and this Gerber multi-tool fits the job. It includes pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, wire cutters, and more. Whether it's a quick office fix, DIY work, or an emergency, this tool is always ready. Strong build, smooth action, and a pocket-friendly design make it a true everyday problem solver. Alright guys, that wraps up today's 25 cool gadgets. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the most. And don't forget to follow for more awesome tech. All the gadgets you saw are available on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.